Hi YouTube, I'm making a video on how to do a bottle flip, a better way to kind of flip the bottle, I guess you could call it. So, first thing you want to do is you want to have your fingers like this, have 4 fingers out, and grasp it over the bottle. That's kind of a better trick, instead of just holding it like this. Just have it like this, and then you want to kind of flick it up, and you don't want to go like this. You don't want to just go like a fast little tiny flip. You want to kind of pop it up, so up. That's just an example. And you don't want to go too hard, otherwise it's just going to go like this. And you don't want to go too light. That's what's going to happen. So you want to kind of pop it up a little bit. So like that. And just barely flick it enough where it can go like this. So, 1 minute. That was a bad example. I'm sorry. My dog just grabbed a hamburger and started running. Anyways. I'm sorry, I gotta film this. Okay. Anyways, back to bottle flipping. My dog will stop. So, remember, grasp and just barely flick it enough to where it can just flip just a little bit. If you don't want to go too high, if you go too high, it's going to just like that and slam. You just want to go perfectly, probably stomach level. So just go. Make it. I'll show you. Yeah. And if you go too hard, that's gonna just barely. Bad luck. Okay, I can't guarantee you this will happen every time because honestly, bottle flipping is just luck. But doing those things I showed you will probably get you better. And the more you flip it, the more it kind of I don't know if you can see, kind of bends the edges and it makes it easier. I wouldn't necessarily call it cheating, but it just makes it easier to go like that. And once you kind of get the hang of it and how hard to throw it, you kind of get it. See, I'm throwing it too low. I need to go higher, like that. See, I'm still throwing. Throw it. Like that. Okay, so like and subscribe, even though it might be a crappy video. Just hit me up with the like and subscribe for more stuff I don't know, how to skateboard, how to make your skateboard go, I don't know, just other stuff. So like and subscribe. Thank you. Peace.